Hi folks, welcome to our exotic garden on the north end of Salt Spring Island. And what I'm standing under here are Trachycarpus hybrid palms, and I've done videos on these in the past. So the difference between these and regular Trachycarpus fortunei is the fronds, and they're distinctly different. The fingers are closer together and they're way more fan-like. So here's a regular Trachycarpus fortunei. I'll flip this frond around. You can see these are tighter fronds on our hybrids here. There's 3 hybrids growing in this clump, and these ones been in the ground for over 20 years now. Now we had these in our upper garden growing in rock, and they were just so painfully slow growing. So probably about maybe 12, 13 years ago, I put them down here, and this is more of a clay soil. And they're actually growing in shade, more shade. That's why the petioles are so long, but the fronds on them are just incredibly beautiful. So you can see here, we'll grab that one. There's a hybrid, and there's a Trachycarpus fortunei, if you can see that. See, the fingers are more spaced widely on the regular fortunei, and these ones are a lot tighter, which makes a nicer fan. So this is a cross between a Trachycarpus wagnerianus and the fortunei. Gives you these hybrids, and they're fully cold hardy here on Salt Spring Island. There's actually some pretty nice ones in private gardens, and these ones are coming along nice too. We grow a lot of them from seed, and we actually have some in the upper garden as well. So this is the lower garden, just in behind our propagation house here. But when you grow them in the shade, yeah, they are going to stretch for light, the petioles. And these petioles here are probably at least six foot in length or more, maybe 7 foot in length, these petioles. I'll grab the camera there and I'll show you. So it's a cool morning here, September morning. It's the 10th of September today, and it's just awesome to wake up to a cool morning after a long, dry, hot summer. We actually had rain yesterday morning, and you know, the temperature was 14 degrees Celsius today, which is just perfect. I'm actually getting kind of sick of the heat. The Trachycarpus love this weather, and they're going to be growing like crazy now that we got that little bit of rain. We had 7 millimeters of rain, which is, you know, we haven't had any rain all summer. 2.5 months. The last time we actually had rain was 2.5 months ago, at least mid-June, just before the 20th of June. So anyway, the palms are soaking that up, and now the rest of the week is going to be sunny, so we're going to have to water again. But anyway, I'll grab the camera. Got it sitting on a tripod here, and I'm going to show you the difference. So those regular Trachycarpus fortunei, sometimes they look kind of messy. Those are our seed grown, and then here's the hybrids. They actually self-seed here like crazy. There's like fortunei growing everywhere. They're weeds, right? They're weeds in this climate, just like sable palmettos are in the deep south. Trachycarpus fortunei are easiest thing to grow in this climate, and you can see them opening up the fronds here, and you can see the nice fan shaped fronds on these. Aren't they beautiful? Way more fan, tighter and closer together. So that is a hybrid, and it looks like we're gonna have a nice sunrise too. It's just coming through. So if you live in a similar growing zone, you might want to try some of these hybrids. They are beauties. All right, thanks for watching, and happy palm growing.